All right, one of the most important things is having a fixing up plan, crisis plan also. We talked about evacuation, we talked about preparation. Now, if your house is destroyed and you have insurance, it's time for the cleanup, which is always a fun thing to do. If you have anywhere from 1 inch of water to a couple feet of water, the cleanup process is always a chore. And one of the important things to have on hand is a generator. If you have a generator, you can actually speed up the process of pumping out water out of your basement if you have a basement, or of course just general electricity to use power tools to fix up your house. And to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning, always put your generator about 10 feet away from the house. You don't want to put the generator within the garage or inside the structure. Always have it 10 feet outside of the house. And this way, it will help you definitely in the fix-it-up process of structural damage. And also, if you have tarps, tarps are a very easy way of just putting a temporary stop on mold and mildew within your house, because once mold and mildew gets in your house, that is very, very tough to get out.